Is anyone hungry for some amazing visual treats from some of the most creative minds in the business? Well, pull up a chair and get ready to feast. Hello art fans, Steve here from NVIDIA, once again inviting you to a 5-course celebration of some incredible artwork exploring the wide world of food. If food is an art form, then Ravisen Karpenin is the Picasso, or should I say Picasso, of baked goodies. We can see his incredible attention to detail across his smorgasbord of artwork, inspired by his wife's stunning pastries and created using ingredients like a dash of ZBrush, a pinch of Substance Painter, and a little sprinkling of Blender. The layout, the textures, the lighting all reflect his passion for making ultra-realistic dishes that you can almost smell and taste. I mean, just looking at this cake festival creation alone is making my stomach growl. All right, ready for a whole new take on Japanese cuisine art? I am. So give me some sushi, some ramen, and plenty of white rice, all served up by the brilliantly playful mind of Roger Rogue. I mean, these images just pop off the page with color and joy and personality. Who said food can't be fun? It's one thing to make great food art, but Nicole Morena, aka Nikki Blender, how apropos, is all about creating the places where you make the food. Warm, inviting, cozy, like your mother's or grandmother's kitchen, but here very dollhouse-like with muted pastels and earth tones. Looking at these spaces, everything feels like home. The wonderfully imperfect shapes, the little spills, even the visiting bees and family cat, what Nicole calls, quote, welcoming elements, unquote. Yes, welcome to the kitchen indeed. Everyone has heard of the gingerbread man, but have you ever heard of the food golem? Yeah, the bread man is real, or at least made real by Eloise Carte. Now, I don't want to say that I can smell the bread man. That sounds weird. But dang, probably the greatest aroma on earth is that of fresh baked bread. Now, would I eat him? Why not? Just dab on the fresh butter. I am all in. It is nosh time. Ever gone to great lengths to get your favorite burger, no matter how long it took? Maybe even trick or steal for just a taste of it? Well, looking at Burger Thief from artist Chris Theron, I'm pretty sure he's been there too. It's obvious Chris loves the eye-catching look of rainbow colors and how appealing a more playful, kid-friendly style can be when applied to 3D renders using tools like ZBrush and Redshift. And it shows. We can see this whimsy in every piece, whether it's treasure rice or a cake harvest. There's a wonderful sense of humor and personality that's brought to life with unique talent and imagination. Chris says he's always had a passion for creating food art that looks delicious, realistic, and fun. Well, I say mission accomplished. Wow, I am full. I sure hope you enjoyed gorging on these amazing visual treats as much as I did. If you want us to feature your artwork and your journey, go ahead and share it at #StudioShare and follow us at NVIDIA Studio to see what else we have in store for you. Now, I'm ready for a nap.